All right, this is the Lasko ceramic heater. It's a manual one. It does not come with a remote. The heat output is really good. Noise-wise, it's also very good. When it's plugged in, it'll be on this position, the lower setting. To make it rotate, you just click this down. You can do the option with the circle is the off setting, or you can set it at 2. Do 1. Turn this around. This can heat up a large room easily. I really like how it's not loud, but mostly the important part is that it heats up very nice. You can do tabletop, on your desk, leave it on the floor. This is good for someone who does not like the remote control option. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty. So I really like it. Hope this helps.